두근두근 뛰는 마음에 세상은 아름다움을 펼쳐 춤추고 싶어 너와 함께라면 저 하늘을 날아볼 수 있을 것 같아 Dance, 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 dance 춤추는 순간 속으로
Good morning guys! So, it's a Monday. Medyo sanay naman akong gumising ng 5 a.m. since I've got school and work. So, yeah. So, it's currently 7:32 p.m. As you can see kanina, I woke up at like 5:30. Then, umalis ako ng bahay around 6:30 plus something-ish. So, ayun. Right now, I'm at a cafe. And I'm gonna do schoolworks. Because may submission na kami this Thursday and wala pa rin akong nagagawa. So that's our goal for today. Makagawa na ako ng concept for my thesis. So, yeah. And I'm gonna meet up with Anne again later. Mga 2 p.m. ata siya dadating. So, ayan. I'll be alone muna since I love being alone. So, yeah. I'll see you guys inside the cafe. So time check, it's already 11:24. So this is the makeup look, but wala pa akong lipstick, so we're gonna put on some lipstick while I wait for Anne. I always use this Baron Bliss in the shade 06 for the inner part of my lips, para mag-ano lang siya. Ayan. And then I'm gonna top it off with a Maybelline Vinyl lipstick in the shade Peachy, and I'm so obsessed with this one. Kailangan ng mirror. So this is the dress that I'm wearing. And yung hair ko, I just curled my hair for the first time since nung nag-hair color ako ng ganito. So, kasi parati ako naka-ano lang guys. Naka-straight hair. So I think it's a little bit different this time today because it's Valentine's Day, you guys! So if you guys are wondering why I'm dressed like this, or dressed up like this, is because we're gonna celebrate Valentine's Day today since, you know, as a single lady, but I'm just waiting for Anne, but Anne's not single, so Anne and her boyfriend have different plans for the Valentine's, so she decided to spend Valentine's Day with us and Hannah, so, and then I'm gonna wear heels later, but I'm just wearing flat shoes muna para madali mag-drive. I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys! I'm with Alpha na! Finally! Lumabas na ulit sila sa vlog. So,
ngayong umaga.
yeah.
Parati kaming gabi.
Kasi parati kaming gabi umaalis tapos wala tang ilaw. Tapos, So today, we'll be doing Valentine's.
Valentine's with the three of us.
Yeah, insert the two na lang kasi mga busy ang person. Anyway, nandito na kami. So, we're here sa Cafe Guilt in Tomas Marato, Timog area. So, yay! Bye-bye!
Bye!
Good morning, guys. It's currently almost 8:40 a.m. And nakatulog ako kanina around 3 a.m. Then nagising ako mga 7:30 or 7ish. So, ayun nga, gumagawa pa rin ako ng thesis ko. And I'm so frustrated na kasi, I don't know, wala na akong pupasok sa utak ko kagabi pa. Kaya sobrang nahihirapan na ako. And sobrang lamig ng umaga. Tapos mamaya sobrang init na naman. Anyway, ayun. I'm so sleepy. I'm so tired. Gusto ko matulog. Guys, I'm wondering bakit ako nagka-cram na yun din. Submission na to later and magpapaprint pa kami. And, ayun. Right now, ang ginagawa ko is site development plan ng project ko. And medyo mahirap because mahirap talaga siya. Mahirap mag-isip. Like, kasi nandito lahat ng concepts na inaral ko sa study ko. Kailangan ko i-apply dito. Like, the solutions. Kailangan develop. Kasi nga, development for I don't know anymore. And so far, medyo may progress. Madaming progress naman na. So, kaya naman siguro. So, anyway, yeah. Dumadala na naman ako. So, tapusin ko lang to. So, bye. Oh, right. Last night, di ba Valentine's? But yesterday is Valentine's Day. Nakita ko sa inyo yung message ng thesis advisor namin. Wait. So funny kasi our thesis advisor shared this sa group chat ng class 10 years ago at 11 years ago now, how he spent his Valentine's Day during his design tent. So cute.
Hey guys! So today, binigyan ako ni Ali ng flower. Ako lang.
Oops! Ikaw lang. Sorry guys, meron din ako. Ang lungkot naman ng mga nasa likod. Tignan mo. Silent stop na ako, guys! Grabe, hindi pa siya. Hindi nawawala. Birthday party pala. That may spaghetti ka din. Pampahaba ng buhay. Pansit. May hipon. Okay, food haul.
Sorry kung mga...
Guys. Shrimp. Wings. Ay. Crispy pata. Ano to? Cream. Oo.
ngayon, may explanation ako kung bakit ganito yung suot ko, guys.
Yes.
First of all, sabi ni birthday boy, aesthetic daw dapat.
Aesthetic.
Aesthetic. 2 oras lang ang tulog natin.
Alam, hirap na hirap ako i-cover yung ano ko nila, eyebox. Yung itim niya kanina. Super.
May treatment ba for eyebags?
Alam ko meron. Kasi si Ray Hermar, di ba grabe yung eyebox niya natin? Ngayon, ano na, wala.
Baka ano yan, parang pinaka-pera or what.
Sa Belo.
So, ayun lang guys. After nun, pumunta kami ng SM San Lazaro para bumili ng cake and gift ni Aliza para kay Paul. So, ang alam ni Paul, hindi kami papasok. Like, absent kami.
Nagkalaro kayo pa kami gising.
Like, hello!
Kaya na pa madaling araw.
Tapos, sabi ni Paul, akala ko pa naman, kompleto tayo. Ay! Matanda na din pala siya eh. Nasa ano siya? Tanda line.
Ito na ba ako?
Kasi
23 lang! Ay!
23? Oh, 2001 siya.
22 lang ako. Nakala ko 23 na ako. Mag-23 pa lang ako.
Ha?
2001 minus.
Hirap guys!
Ano na daw sila? Hindi naman daw nag-attendance.
Oh, ang attendance yung sinabit siguro. So guys!
24 na siya. 2 years na. Nandito. 2 years na agad natin ngayon!
Ayan, kaka-birthday ko lang din kasi nung 16, February 16.
24 na siya ako. 22 pa lang. Nandito na din 24.
Para naman inform kayo sa buhay namin. Ako ang pinakamadanda, siya ang pinakabunso. 24, 23. Ayan mo, dali. Para may content tayo.
Ayun, baka bukas. Kasi ibang grupo na siya guys. Hindi na kami aabot ng December ulit. Tapos si Jana pumasok. Kahit may sasubmit siya bukas.
Kaya ganun namin kamahal si Paul.
Tiya, yan yung Pocahontas.
Kaya wala kasi ako damit, guys. Ang arte mo? Ang ganda mo. Sorry guys, sorry.
Hi.
Hi everyone, number 2. Mabilis.
Sige, ulit. Take 2. 1, 2, 3.
Hi everyone, number 2, number 3. It's me again. Ha? Na? Pero guys, huwag natin gayahin siya kasi yun yung trademark niya.
Yes.
So sa atin,
Citation ko na.
hello!
Ay, si Jana May, di marunong mag-chat.
Nag-ano yun? Alboroto.
Oh, pamadali yan.
Natry ko na din yung kasang uncomfy.
Guys, look! Sinin lang ako ni Jana.
Baka kasi nasa biyahe, tapos chinek niya lang madali yung phone, tapos
Alauna na siya, nasa Antipolo. Nandito na yun for sure.
baka traffic. It's 2:44. Ang pasok namin, 1. Isa lang actually yung subject namin ngayon. Art Desk 1410. Architectural Design. Guys, 10 semester. 5 years.
Sino magtsatsaga doon, di ba?
See you sa July. Guys, promise ko sa inyo, gagraduate kaming lahat. Sa July na yung graduation namin, guys. Baka naman share nyo na yung YouTube channel ni Ali nang maka 1,000 subscribers.
500 na lang.
Oh, eh? Oh.
Ayan, nakakarating niya lang daw. Jana.
Ayun, sabay-sabay na tayo. Ayan na, kararating. Oh, sabi ko sa'yo, di ba? Ano na biyahe? Matagal niya pala.
Anyway, bye-bye. Stretching. Ito na pag nanonood na Barbie.
Yun na
Punta kami dito. Tapos meron kami ditong kasamang nagre-review. No pictures, no pictures. Siya lang yung kilala namin na tumorder lang tsaka talaga. Napakalolo. So, tingnan nyo, di ba? Pagkabalik ng camera, iba na ulit yung ginagawa niya. Huling-huli.
Hi guys, so it's 2 days before the final submission of the presentation for Revalida. And like 30% progress pa lang. It's been so tough and rough this past few weeks or for this past month because I've been so overwhelmed with everything on my thesis and I haven't gone to work for a month now, I guess. I don't even know how I am surviving this one, but we gotta do it. I'm so tired and I just want to rest for a very long time. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. It's been so challenging, guys. Akala ko kaya ko gawin to. Kaya survive no matter what happens because graduation is right around the corner, so you gotta make that as a motivation. This is my current setup. This is my project, floor plans, coffee. I'm watching Sleeping Beauty currently right now. Trying to marathon all the Disney princesses while I do my work, so